Welcome to Track Trace, where we take a closer look at the work put into making the music. It's your boy King B, and today I'll be taking you on a trip into King B's Cream. Cream is the last track on King B's mixtape titled Testing, released in 2019. Though being the last track on the project, it was actually the first track recorded for the project. Today we will be focusing on the first verse only. The verse is made up of 20 bars.
We got it right. Yeah, that's me and the team. Drip real fresh, yeah, we keeping it clean. We rocking ice so cold. Bring the ice age back, or so I'm told. Chains.
The first 4 bars describe how King B and his team look. Fresh and clean clothing with ice referring to mad jewelry. He puts emphasis on how big and high quality their jewelry is by mentioning how cold it is, like bringing the ice age back. They are so unaware of how good they look, as it's not something they themselves say, but instead it's something they are told, showing that this is natural to them. They do it with no effort. He uses the simple rhyme scheme at the end of the bars.
Chains hang low like a magnet down below. Cologne unknown cause we blow the hydro.
Oh no, he's about to enter deep flow.
Third eye open as shit, just so you know.
Here in the first line, he talks about the chains around their necks being heavy, accentuating their weight by saying it's like a magnet is pulling them down. The second line talks about how their cologne is unrecognizable because they are always around the hydro, referring to weed. The third and fourth line is him basically telling you that he's about to give you some nice rhymes, and again, this comes from someone else, showing that his lyrical ability is something he has with no effort. All 4 of these bars follow one rhyme scheme with the O sounds at the end. We also get some internal rhymes that run throughout all 4 bars that go with the end rhymes with the O sound.
So you know, if money was a disease, then damn it, I'm the illest. Virtual reality check, yeah, we the realest. Started from the bottom, now we here cause we the best. Always making moves that proves we better than the rest. Next.
Here he raps about him and his team being the best. The first 2 lines are used to establish just how good they are. He has so much money that if it were a disease, he would be the sickest from it. In a world of virtual reality, they would be the realest people in there. We have another simple rhyme scheme that carries throughout the 4 bars. Some internal rhymes in the last line with the ooh sound.
Next, see what job is hanging from the line. Managing and sharing all the futures we design. Making all the dreams and aspirations come true. Cause it gotta be your heart and soul in everything you do.
Here he talks about how they are not only good with the artistic side of the business, but with all aspects of it. Everything here is quite simple to digest, with the first line showing how busy he is running his studio. The end rhymes look nothing alike, but he manages to keep them flowing throughout all 4 bars.
Everything you do, remember not to fail at standing up when you have fallen. Celebrate every single win that you can roll in. Vision gets clearer and you start to feel superior. Never fail to recognize the power that's within you.
Some motivation towards the end of the verse, with the second line basically telling you not to forget to celebrate your victories no matter how small. Again, the end rhymes don't seem to match, but the execution of the bars allow them to go with the flow. My take on the verse as a whole is a rap about King B and his team always looking good, being the best at what they do. He does this with a classic boom bap beat so that the message is clearer to rock with, and with that he tries to flex his writing on the chill beat. I like how he shows their prowess by letting their praise come from others and not from themselves. That's all for today. Let me know your thoughts on the track in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the bell icon to turn on post notification. King B signing off. King.
Sunny days,
Sunny days,
shiny nights,
shiny nights.
looking for the cash, oh you got it right.
You got it right.
We going on a spree, yeah you got it right.
You got it right.
We look out for the team, yeah we got it right.
We got it right.